Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a shrimp dumpling and steamed broccoli recipe. Now I really like this recipe because it's super versatile. I like to make dumplings with my friends, I like to make this for parties, I also like to use this for meal prep recipes. So what I like to do is that I like to freeze these shrimp dumplings, put them in the freezer, and then whenever I'm home alone and I have to prepare my own meal, I just take out the dumplings and then I steam them, I fry a few vegetables, and then that's my meal. It's super easy and it's super convenient to prepare on a rainy day. So yeah, I usually mass make these shrimp dumplings and just store them in my freezer like a retard. Yeah, so if you guys want to make these dumplings too, please keep watching. But before that, remember to like and subscribe to my video and share these with your friends because it really helps my channel out. I'm trying to grow my channel from scratch and it's really difficult, so any support is really welcomed around here. So yeah, thank you. was the end of the recipe. I hope you guys liked it. It was really simple to do. I hope you guys try it. Tag me on Instagram. Show me the dumplings that you've made with my recipe. I'll be super happy to see it. And yeah, it has been like approved by the harshest food critics I know, including my dad, you know, my mom. They're always very honest about the food that I cook. And they said it was really good. So yeah, do try the recipe out, share it with me, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and give me any suggestions of other things that you would like me to make in my videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video with your friends.